All right, I rode the Road King over here to my son-in-law's mother's house. That's his truck, by the way. So we got a little project we got going this morning. I did change the handlebars on the bike already. It's got these 16-inch Vikla bars. They are factory 47. It's a good bar. I've used these before. I used them on my Heritage. It's good. It's got a good feel to it. Really not that bad. It actually it's a totally different ride with that. And I also changed the seat. I put the Saddleman Solo seat on it, and it's actually a very good seat. It's hard. It sits hard, but it's actually pretty good. It looks better than that Love seat I had on there. Anyway, let's get to what we got to do here. We got to wait to get this trailer out of the way, but that's what we got going on right now. Let's get closer here. This is a long trailer. Look at this sucker. Damn, it's longer than mine. Trailer, that is. So anyway, that's what we got. My son-in-law decided to go ahead and get it worked on. We're gonna be doing the well, not we, the shop is. They're gonna redo the wiring on it. It's still a 6-volt, a 54 Del Rey
210.
54 Del Rey was his father's car. Still has a 235. It's got a power glide on it, and it's a good project. That everything is here, all the chrome, everything he's got put away. The hood is on top of that car there. That's the Pontiac, by the way. And he's got the grill. He's got 2 new bumpers for it. They're going to be taking this motor out. They're going to set it. We got a 327 for it, 350 transmission, and it's going to be a neat little project to do. Once they get all the wiring done, it's still a closed drive line, so we're going to put another rear end, probably a Nest 10 rear end, something like that. Make it an open drive, so you can at least cruise it around. Anyway, we're waiting for the tow truck to come. That way we could roll it out of here. Stop it.
Stop it?
Yeah. And you got your work cut out for yourself. Well, here's what happened. I ended up going to get my trailer. AAA did not want to tow this because it's not a running vehicle. Go figure, it's a classic car. I told them, it's a 1954, blah, blah, blah. Yeah, oh, yeah, no problem. We'll send the tow truck. And when they get here, the driver says, nope, I can't tow that. There's no headlights and no grill. I don't know if it's running. Well, that's why we're calling you, because it's not running. So anyway, no, I can't tow it, so he took off. Anyway, called AAA. They said, no, your policy doesn't cover vehicles that are not running. Then what's the point? Anyway, so I'm not happy with AAA right now. I mean, why mess with AAA when I have my rig here? It's got a winch, it's got the straps, I got everything I need. So just for the ease of having to move stuff around, AAA, they just said chale. They said no. Anyway, it's Sunday afternoon. We're gonna take it to the shop tomorrow. That guy's gonna open the shop for us tomorrow, and we're just gonna drop it off. And what's gonna happen to this is my son-in-law's car. His dad passed it on to him, so Anyway, we're gonna put a V8 in it, automatic transmission. We have a open drive. We're gonna put either an S10 rear end or a Camaro Nova rear end on it. So that's what we're waiting to do. But my son-in-law is pretty happy. We're getting to get it done. He's been wanting to start on this, so we're gonna get it done. Anyway, we're gonna head to the shop tomorrow and drop it off and go from there.